with MVC HTML Chapter 2. Custom HTML Helper Methods. First of all, we have to have a class for custom HTML helper methods. Then a static class, and this class have a static method to return MVC HTML string. We use this option for HTML elements that excluded in MVC HTML helpers or add some overload in it. Data from controller to view. We have three options to carry data from controller to view without using model. These options is shown in the table. ViewData-ViewBag-TempData Usage. In the controller side, we have to describe these. Then view site usage like this. Temp data is generally used to carry data from one action to another action, so it can remember value but the others forget its values. Model sending. First of all, we have instance list that full recorded. Then we set this list an argument to return view like this. Then we use at the view side by model binding. View side, we have to import namespace and model's name. Working with actions. Action have not to return a view, or an action have not to return its own view. Maybe it returns another action's view. In this case, we can use the code that's shown in the presentation. Maybe we need to call an action in another action with parameters, so we have to use the code that's shown in the presentation. Working with actions. If we need to call a view under another action and we want to send a model to view, we can use the code as show. Return view, controller name, view name, model. We can call an action also with query strings. We can catch a lot of variables and use with the links. We can create HTML action link for this usage in the view side that is shown in the presentation. HTML elements for models. If we send a model from action to view, MVC can automatically generate HTML tags for models information with HTML helpers strongly typed methods. At the table shown most used strongly typed methods of HTML helper.